Good afternoon, grade 7. So, our lesson for today is all about
Good afternoon, sir.
interpreting laws of exponents. So, last week, we are done with adding and subtracting, tama? Polynomials. So, ngayon naman, before we proceed to multiplication, you should know how to multiply exponents muna. Okay? So, interpreting laws of exponent muna tayo. So, the exponent of a number says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. So, exponents are also called powers or indices. Tama? Ayan. So, for example, to the second
Yes.
power, to the third power, di ba ganun ang tawag natin? Kapag exponent yan. So, both. Based on the definition of exponent x raised to n, or the power of x, means the product obtained by taking x as a factor n times. So, in symbols, if n is a positive integer, ayan siya. So, for example, m raised to 4, or the power of m is 4. Therefore, magiging m times m times m times m. That's the product. That's the power. Tama? For example, we have 35. So, ilan? Yan. 3 raised to 5 yan ha. Magkamali yung pagkakasulat niya. 3 raised to 5. So, ibig sabihin, 5 na beses mong imumultiply yung 3 sa sarili niya. So, kapag 3 raised to 5, or 3 to the 5th power, kaya magiging 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Ganun siya. Tama? Or gets ba?
Yes.
For example,
Yes.
we have squared. Ilan ang power nun? Dalawa, di ba? X times x, that is x squared. So, dalawang x, that is x squared. Tatlong x, that is 3 cube. Tama? So, kapag ito, raised to 4, 4 na m. Kung ilan yung exponent niya, yun siya. Karami. So, starting with the product rule. So, kapag nag-multiply ka ng the same base, ayan, the same variable, ang gagawin mo dyan ay i-add yung power or i-add yung exponent. For example, we have a raised to 4 times a raised to 8. Kaya magiging ang exponent ng first term natin is 4. Ang exponent ng second term natin is 8. Therefore, 4 plus 8, that would be 12. Tama? So, ang gagawin mo sa variable niya, just copy the variable. Simple as that. Kaya ito magiging a raised to 12. Kasi hindi ko makita itong letter B. Ito, for example, we have x squared multiplied to x raised to 4 multiplied to x raised to 6. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan ay copy the base, copy the variable. So, x, that would be x, add the exponents. So, 2 plus 4 plus 6. That would be x raised to 12. That is the product rule. So, kapag may pinag-multiply ka, basta magkaparehas ng base or magkaparehas ng variable, i-add mo lang yung exponent. Nakuha?
Yes.
Sure yan ha? We also have the product rule na pangalawa. This is the product rule. Ito naman, power of a product rule. Ayun, no? So, ito, ang gagawin naman dito kapag ganito, second, nandiyan na. So, ang gagawin naman dito pag ganito is to multiply. So, ang sabi niya dito, n raised to 2 raised to 3. So, pangalawang raise. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan ay i-multiply. 2 times 3, that would be 6. Basta ang gagawin mo lang dito is to copy the variable. So, copy the variable, multiply the exponents. Oh, may kasama si Ken. Sino yan? Sino yan?
So, sir,
Sino yun?
if it has no...
Si Ralph yan,
Sir,
si Ralph.
Sarap
Si
yun?
Ralph.
Ah,
Yeah.
magkasama sila.
Oh.
sir,
Yes, what's that?
so if there is no, what's this, variable, then we just multiply the exponents.
So, if there is no variable, for example, this one. Ito. Tingnan nito 5 raised to 2 raised to 4. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, ito muna nasa loob. 5 raised to 2, that is 5 times 5. Tama? 5 times 5. Or, you can simply like this. Wait lang isulat na nga natin. So, that is 5. So, 2 times 4, that would be 8 or 5 raised to 8. Tama? So, ang gagawin mo dito, mumultiply mo daw yung 5 na yan sa sarili niya 8 beses. So, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Ganon siya. Dapat maka 8 beses ka. So, pag nakuha mo yon, ito na yung magiging sagot natin. Pero kapag variable siya, as is na yan na, ganyan yung sagot. Nakuha?
Yes.
Wait lang. Open ko na yan. Clear. Okay. Ayan, so
Example.
that is a power of a product rule.
Okay. That's
Okay.
understandable.
Meron naman itong power of quotient. Ay, wait lang. Ito muna pala. So, kapag meron kang dalawang variable or meron kang kasamang number, ang gagawin mo dyan is to distribute the exponent. So, ito magiging, ito siya, So, this one, A times 3, A raised to 3. That would be A3. B raised to 3. That would be B cube or B raised to 3. Nakuha? So, distribute mo A raised to 3, B raised to 3. For example, dito. So, kung ilan yung term na nasa loob or ilan variable yung nasa loob, doon mo siya i-multiply. For example, is this. 2 raised to 4. That would be 2 raised to 4. Ito, M raised to 4. That would be M raised to 4. N squared raised to 4. That would be N squared raised to 4. Kaya magiging sagot mo dyan, 2 raised to 4, M raised to 4, N raised to 8. Kasi nga 2 times 8. 2 times 4. That would be 8. Ngayon, isimplify mo si 2 raised to 4. That would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, ilan yan? 2 times 2, that would be 4. Tama? 4 times 4, 4 times 2, that would be 8. 8 times 2, that would be 16. Kaya naging sagot natin dito, 16, 16, M4, N8. Nakuha? So, hindi dapat may matirang exponent si number. Okay lang na magkaroon ng exponent si variable, basta wag lang si number. Gets? We also have the quotient rule. Sa quotient rule naman, kabaliktaran lang siya ni exponent. Sa quotient rule, sa product rule pala, I should say. Sa product rule, ipag-a-add. Dito naman sa quotient rule, isusubtract. For example, ito. 3 all over 5 raised to 2. Ayan. So, we have 3 raised to 2 is 2. 5 raised to 2 is 2. Kaya 3 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2. Basta kung ano yung andyan, kaya hindi nyo naman na kailangan sulat yung 1, 1 na yun. Pampalito lang to eh. Kasi di ba, ang whole number, mayroon siya exponent na 1. So, raised to 2 raised to 2, that would be 3 squared, 5 squared. So, hindi dapat magkaroon ng number, ng exponent ng number. Therefore, 3 times 3, is 9. 5 times 5 is 25. Kaya naging 9 all over 25 yan. 3 squared, 5 squared. 3 squared, 5 squared. Ganun siya. Parang sa may power of a product rule. Parang dito naman, letter B, na example natin, 3x squared raised to 3. So, 2 cube, ito siya, 2 cube, x squared times 3, that would be 6. X, 6. Ito naman, 3y, 3 raised to 3, that would be 3 raised to 3, y raised to 3. And then, hindi dapat magkaroon ng exponent ng number. So, 2 times 2 times 2, that would be 8. 3 times 3 times 3, that would be 27. So, 8x raised to 6, 27x cube. Nakuha? So, basta ang exponent natin, it's either nag-multiply, okay? Or basta nag-add. Mag-multiply or nag-add. So, there are still more. But then, let me check your worksheet first. So, tignan natin. So, this would be included kasi in your exam. Uy. So, this is your worksheet. Ayan, pakita ko na. Gets na ba yung power of mga exponents natin? Rules of
Yes.
exponent. Ayan, so tignan natin. So, I'll be showing you your worksheet. Ayan. So, we have here, so ito, pinakauna, is i-add nyo lang. So, kapag nag-add or subtract kayo, exponents, or the variables together with exponent, ang gagawin lang dyan is to copy. Nakuha? So, ang i-add lang natin dito are the numbers. Or add or subtract lang natin ay numbers. Nakuha? For example, number 1, 2 plus 4,
6
plus 9,
15.
15.
minus 12,
Positive po. Positive 3.
3.
that would be positive 3.
3.
Ito naman, x squared, x squared, x squared, x squared, magkakaparehas lang yan. Walang mangyayari sa exponent niyan. Nakuha? Ganyan lang yan. Ito a cube, a cube, a cube, a cube, a cube. Therefore, this is a cube.
A.
8 minus 9,
1.
negative,
Negative 1.
plus 15,
15.
Positive 14.
that is positive 14, minus 2,
Positive 12.
positive 12, plus 10,
Plus 10.
that would be positive 22. Ganyan lang siya, okay? Okay. So, i-add or subtract lang. How, sa kabila naman or sa baba niya, ito, raise the number to the given power. So, let's try to have an example. Kung paano nyo gagawin. So, if this is n raised to 2, if n is equal to 4, what would be the answer? Kapag ang n daw natin ay 4,
16.
that would be 16. How? Ayan, no, palitan mo si 4 ng 4, palitan mo si n ng 4, kaya 4 raised to 2. So, 4 times 4, that would be 16. Tama? Naintindihan ba yon? Ito, x cube, palitan mo siya, negative 3. So, negative 3 siya, raised to 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3. Oy. Times negative 3 siya. So, negative times negative, that would be positive.
Negative
3 times 3, that would be 9.
9.
9 times negative, that would be negative. 9 times 3, that would be
27.
27. So, that would be negative 27. Nakuha kung paano gagawin dito?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
ganyan
sir.
lang siya. That is, raise the number to the given power. Okay. Okay, clear mo natin. How about dito sa baba? Ito. So, divide the expression. Ito. Sa divide the expression naman, parang sa quotient rule natin. So, kung sa product rule, ipag-a-add yung exponent, dito naman ay isusubtract. How? Let's try to have an example. So, we have x divided by x. Ang sagot lang natin dyan ay x. 8 minus 4,
4.
that would be 4. O, dito tayo sa gitna. Number, ano ba may hirap dito? Ito, number
Number
7. Number
Okay.
2. Ito, number 7. 204 divided by negative 34. So, kapag positive, negative ang dinidivide, obviously, it is negative. So, 204 divided by 34. O, calculator na natin. 204 divided by 34. That would be 6. So, ang sagot natin dyan ay 6.
Negative
It would be negative 6. Yung P, Q natin, sulat na natin. Kasi, yan na yan. P, this would be Q. Ang hinahanap na lang natin ay exponents. 5 minus 2. So, itong P, 5 minus 2, that would be
3.
3.
3.
Q, so 6 minus 2,
4.
that would be 4. So, this is for division or divide. Okay? So, this is for division. Nakuha? So, remove ko na to
Yes.
ulit. So, that is divide the expressions. Then, next one, sa baba tayo. Ito, raise the exponents or raise the expressions. Ito na lang last. To the given power. So, ito naman, ang gagawin lang dito is to give the single numeric value of the expression if there is no variable. Ito, meron kasi ito mga to. For example, ito, number 1. 5 raised to 5, x raised to 5 raised to 3. Kaya maging sagot natin dyan, x is equal to, is equal to x raised to 15. Tama? Pinag-multiply. How about this one? Ito, ito tayo, dito tayo.
Stop playing.
Ito, number 7. Number 6. Ito, we have negative 2. Ayan. M raised to 4. N raised to 5. So, raised to 5 daw. So, is every single number or variable tayo. Negative 2 raised to 5. That would be negative 2 raised to 5. Okay. And then, M. So, 4 times 5, that would be 20. Tama? Then, we also have N. 5 times 5, that would be 25. So, tanggalin daw natin. Give the single numerical value. We have negative 2 raised to 5. That would be negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Ilan yon? So, negative 2 times, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That would be 32. So, pangit. That would be 32. M, 20, N, 25. So, what would be the sign of 32 pala? We have negative times negative, that would be positive, times negative, that would be negative. Times negative, it becomes positive, times negative, that would be negative. So, ang sagot natin dito ay negative 32. 32. M, 20. Okay. This would be N, 25. Nakuha? Naintindihan ba?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes kayo dyan, ha? So, that's it. This should be included in your exam. So, exam next week. Ayan. So, close na natin to. So, do you have questions pa regarding our lesson?
Wala na, sir.
Wala na. How about Derek? Oh, umalis yung iba.
Wala na, sir.
Okay. So, ayan. So, have a nice weekdays. Ayan. So, goodbye. Grade 7. Umalis yung iba eh.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.